Tomatoes are in every Indian kitchen. But here's the big question. Can tomato farming really give you 1 to 2 lakh rupees profit in just 4 months in 2026? In this video, let's uncover the truth behind tomato farming profits. Let's start with the numbers, because profit matters most. For 1 acre of tomato farming in 2026, your total investment comes to around 25,000 rupees to 28,000 rupees. This includes seeds, labor, fertilizers, drip irrigation, mulch, and basic expenses. Now the returns. Minimum income can be around 1 lakh rupees, and with good management and market timing, income can go up to 2.25 lakh rupees per acre. That means a net profit of 70,000 rupees to 1.9 lakh rupees in just 3.5 to 4 months. Yes, tomato farming can be a gold mine. Tomatoes grow best in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. They prefer a temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, so avoiding extreme heat and frost is very important. In 2026, drip irrigation is strongly recommended. It saves water, reduces disease, and improves both yield and fruit quality. Use organic manure before planting, follow balanced NPK nutrition, and regularly monitor for pests like fruit borer and leaf curl. Neem-based sprays work well when used on time. Tomato plants start fruiting within 60 to 80 days, and you can harvest 4 to 6 times over a few weeks. So yes, tomato farming in 2026 can be highly profitable, but only if you follow modern methods, right timing, and smart marketing. If you found this useful, like the video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more honest and profitable farming guidance.